Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney, and today I'd like to answer the question, do I need to bring a witness with me to my Social Security disability hearing? And not just witnesses, can I bring anybody to my Social Security disability hearing? And the answer to that is generally not. Disability hearings last about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. And judges are really most interested in hearing from you. In rare cases, I bring a witness, and typically it's a case where somebody has a mental health problem, that they have a difficult time describing what they feel, what they've gone through, and a third party who observes anger control issues, who observes some sort of decompensation or problems staying awake or problems with behaving rationally. That's when I would bring a witness in. But generally, you don't have witnesses come to disability hearings. Doctors, you don't typically have doctors or people from your doctor's office come as a witness. It's certainly possible, and I've done it before in very, very rare occasions where you need to have somebody give some medical information. But I'd say 99 times out of 100, you're not going to have a witness coming with you to your hearing. You're not going to have somebody there for moral support. These hearing rooms are small. Judges don't like having a third party there. It just kind of disrupts the vibe of the hearing. They're concerned that your moral support person, your spouse or your friend or a relative, is going to be signaling you and trying to help you answer questions. I just had a hearing today, for example, where a gentleman was there and his wife was in the hearing room, wanted to observe, and the judge was okay with it, and he had to say to the wife, you know, ma'am, I appreciate the fact that you want to be here for your husband, but you can't signal him, you can't say anything to him. And I think this is probably the last time that judge will let somebody in the hearing room. This is kind of an unusual case, but bottom line is that they generally don't want to have third parties there for moral support or for any other reasons, and generally you're not going to have witnesses. So for the most part, the medical evidence in your case is going to be determined by what's written, the medical records, functional capacity forms, narrative report, statement on the listing. It's going to be documentary evidence as opposed to testimony evidence. The only testimony, for the most part, the judge is going to want to hear is from you, to get an idea of whether you're credible, whether you're believable, whether there's any discrepancies in the record that he can ask you about, and so they don't really want to hear so much from witnesses. So that's a brief answer to the question, should I bring a witness, should I bring somebody for moral support with me? The answer is, unless your attorney tells you otherwise, that's probably not a good idea. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and if I can answer any questions for you specifically about your case, your disability case, and you're not represented, please reach out to me directly. This is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I wish you well. Thanks. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include, how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case. And a topic that every disability claimant wants to know, how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.